Shorthand Dictation Exercise number 181 from Pitman Shorthand Book. Start. All parts of the world are becoming, in fact, more and more well known, so that we shall soon regard it as a matter of course that blanks on our maps will grow less and less till in a short space of time they will disappear altogether. Stop. Some may exclaim, do you mean to say that at the present time we may, as a matter of fact, look to the time when discoveries were no longer add to our knowledge of the geography of the world, in which from first to last we have been so much interested? Stop. We shall be glad to hear when such may be looked for. Stop. In reply, attention may be called to the facts of the case, and by way of illustration, Africa may be pointed to. Stop. For many years past, explorers have plunged deeper and deeper into the hidden recesses of the African continent, and whether right or wrong, they subjugated the savage inhabitants in a more or less complete fashion. Stop. Africa was then divided among the European powers, and exploration was carried out to a great extent in the last years of the 19th century, so that we are able to make a very complete map of the whole continent. Stop.